Post-experiment materials. A transparent container, a plant, a water.
Method. Pour a glass of water into the dish. Cover the dish with the transparent container.
What happens? The inside surface is filled with water vapor. The water vapor condenses and droplets form, falling into the dish, into the plate.
Later, something similar happens.
The water that evaporates from seas, rivers, lakes and ground rises to the air, where it can condense and return to liquid state in the form of rain.